Hello, baby.
Hello.
What we will do today is we will study about the T sound. Okay?
Oh.
So you will search for some objects in the house and find the objects which start with T sound.
Okay.
Okay? So let's start.
T sounds toy.
Very good. T as in toy. Now search another one.
T as in talcum powder.
Good. T as in talcum powder. One more.
T
Wow.
as in teddy.
Good. Excellent. T as in teddy. Now, can you show anything with your fingers?
Yeah. T as in 10.
Good. T as in 10. Now let us have a look at a book. See, this is the book we have. Now from this book, you choose few pictures that start with sound T. Go on.
T as in tractor.
Very good. T as in tractor. Next.
T as in tempo.
Excellent. T as in tempo.
T as in train.
Wow, you are a rock star. T as in train. Good. So, what you have to do is, whenever you see something with T, you have to speak it loudly as we did today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.